And play in the dirt.
This is common with her.
Yes.
You did. You did.
Look at the diaper. Oh, wow.
I hope you didn't take that with me on it.
Nope.
My rear end.
No,
Okay, where are we going to go?
No, play with the rocks.
Trudy, this is
Jerry.
this is something she does with her friends. She wants them to get down on the ground and play in the rocks with her.
Oh. It's nice to meet
What
you.
a little pumpkin.
I gotta find the bathroom.
Bye.
Yeah, that's a big one, isn't it? Big one. Yeah.
Keely, what are you doing?
Oh, here. Oh, now you get the rear view.
Say bye. Tell me bye.
Hey, are
Oh,
you doing
thank
that
you.
on my camera? Well, why is yours full?
Thank you. Goodbye. And thank you. Yeah, right there. Thank you.
Ladies, how many cherries do you want?